In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone looking to refine their video editing skills, CapCut is a versatile and user-friendly tool. First, let's get started by heading to CapCut.com. This is where the magic begins, so open up your browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the website, you'll find yourself on the main page where all your projects come to life. Next, on this landing page, you're going to click on the option that says Create New. This is where you can start your new project. It's an intuitive interface designed to make the process as seamless as possible. Clicking this will open up the editor, which is perfectly tailored for all your creative needs. Now, once you've clicked on Create New, it's time to select the canvas you want. This is an important step as it sets the dimensions for your video. You might want different dimensions depending on whether you're creating a piece for social media like Instagram, a YouTube video, or anything else. After selecting your canvas, you'll need to upload the video footage that you'll be working with. Locate and click on the Upload button. It's typically quite visible and marked clearly, guiding you towards your next step. Now, at this stage, clicking Upload File will prompt you to explore your computer's directories. Here, you'll find and select the video files you wish to import into CapCut. This is your chance to bring in any footage that's stored on your PC that you're ready to enhance and edit. Once your files are uploaded, select the video you want to start editing, click on the video, and watch as it loads into your workspace. It's now fully accessible and ready to be transformed according to your creative vision. Now comes the fun part, editing. CapCut provides a plethora of tools and options, from trimming and cutting to adding transitions and effects. You've got everything at your fingertips to enhance the visual and audio aspects of your content. As you navigate through this, take your time exploring different features, perhaps adding some music or text to emphasize key points in your footage. Remember, video editing is as much about the story you want to tell as it is about the technical aspects. So feel free to experiment until you're satisfied with the final outcome. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your first CapCut project. Enjoy the process and let your creativity flow, knowing that CapCut offers the flexibility and user-friendliness to make video editing accessible to everyone. Happy editing.